Hey guys, this video is gonna be about this cool over-the-door rack gray shoe organizer that I found on Amazon for $40. And if you're interested in buying this, I'm gonna include a link in the description box below. Alright, so I'm gonna go over some of these highlights that I have on the Amazon listing, and then I'll set it up and we'll see how it looks. So the rack is made out of epoxy coated gunmetal frame. It comes with a meshed lined bag that prevents the shoe from falling out while also protecting the door from scuffs, and is a unique metal mesh design combination that optimizes durability and functionality. It is really easy to assemble, and it comes with all the tools that are included for assembly. Okay, so this is all the hardware that comes in the box, and it's pretty accurate to the description that Amazon has. And the next part will be assembly, and we'll see how it looks. Thank you guys for watching this video, and again, if you're interested in buying this, I'm gonna have a link in the description box below.